Ethereum deposits surge. Investors seek progress amid stability. Bitcoin trading price is foggy. How key points affect the market? Binance CEOs. Executives leave en masse, causing market panic. Zhao Changpeng is under great pressure. How will he appease people's hearts? Japan announces relaxation of currency issuance financing. 17 years of ICO craze, will it be in Japan? Will it play again? Officially integrated into the Telegram ecosystem. Ton surges 80%. Is this the beginning or the result? Wallet stolen using MetaMask. Crypto influencer Mark Cuban. How long have you been targeted by hackers? Change the world with cryptocurrencies. Get our wealth code. Let's become rich together.
This is Media Blockchain. On Monday, September 18th, I am Michael. Say hello to everyone in Singapore. There is recent data from an exchange. It aroused everyone's discussion. Ethereum deposited into the exchange. Deposits surged, and Bitcoin withdrawals surged. Data display. Ethereum exchange deposit volume. A total of 105,000 Ethereum was reached. In comparison, Ethereum raised 7,500. So in times of turmoil, many traders tend to deposit Ethereum to an exchange instead of bringing it up. At the same time, the situation with Bitcoin, exactly the opposite. Data display. Bitcoin withdrawal volume always exceeded the deposit amount, but holding 0.1 Bitcoin. The above address reached 4,487,486. This quantity, it is a record high. This may also mean that investors more willing to put Ethereum exchange for Bitcoin than propose the exchange putting wallet. Do you also have this strategy? Let us look at the market prices. Recent price of $26,600 in Bitcoin transactions appear frequently, so this price that affects investors' decision-making, a very critical dynamic indicator. This has become Bitcoin trading a key data. Then according to the data on the chain, Bitcoin price in the past 3 years often around this price. To make fluctuations, that is $26,600 in 2020, 2022 and 2023. Bitcoin price have been at this level, reached a balance. It is worth noting that this price is more than just a simple benchmark, but a key price level. When the price of Bitcoin above $26,600, investors tend to prefer buy Bitcoin or hold, and when the price of Bitcoin below $26,600, investors prefer to sell Bitcoin. At 8 o'clock this morning, member-only weekly review, we compared it for everyone, us, European and Asian investors. Their psychological price, approximately how much? Please pay attention to our member-only weekly review. In a bear market, we should pay close attention to the case of stable counters. The current total market capitalization of stable counters, $76 billion, higher than the historical high in March of 2022. Total market capitalization fell by 26%, but in the stablecoin market, as is still the king, its market share, it has reached 69% now. To know in June 2022, as this market share is 44%. In comparison, it increased by 25% as circulation. In fact, it continues to increase. Within the past week, circulation at total as 1.2 billion s, redeemed at the same time as 1.1 billion s. Then the circulation, in fact, it increased by $100 million. But as this market dominance, but it dropped to 0.1%. You know, more than a year ago, as the market share, but 38%. So the decline is very obvious. So these changes mean, under certain circumstances, as has replaced us. But don't you think that cryptocurrency trading only stable counters will be used? Please like our program. Let's sort it out right away. What you must pay attention to 24 hours a day. News from the crypto world. Binance's executive resigns. There's a recent incident. It can be said that it made a fuss. There's news. CEO of Binance's Chief Legal Officer and Chief Risk Officer all have left. So many people put Binance into existence. Binance as users. You feel worried, right? But it is different from Binance. Binance as not actually Binance itself. It is a relatively independent organization and are regulated by U.S. Right. But if the United States suppresses Binance, then the first one to take action, it should be Binance America, so everyone regards it as a Binance-esque vein. So now for the Binance executive resignations. At the helm, Zhao Changpeng, how did he get into prey? Let's take a look.
In a tweet posted last Friday, Zhao Changpeng mentioned Binance US CEO Brian Schroeder said when he resigned, due to regulatory developments worsening Binance US CEO jobs, Norman Reed would be more suitable. Brian Schroeder, who just left, made a review, represents Binance US. Under Schroeder, raised funds, also improved products and services. At the same time, the internal working process has been stabilized and gained considerable market share. It is also revealed between the lines. Brian Schroeder and Binance US. It's a peaceful breakup. At the same time, Zhao Changpeng thinks the crypto market has changed rapidly in the past 2 years as the regulatory environment worsens. As a former SEC, New York Fed repo, and the National Securities Depository and Clearing Corporation, DTCC senior executive, Norman Reed will be next, the right person to lead Binance.
Exchange track, especially like banks in the crypto world, and Binance as a banking giant, many like the United States, centralized state, regulatory authority. Everyone wants to take care of it, but organizing this organization, like another, jump out of the 3 realms. People who are not in the 5 elements. He's completely out of control. You can make your own rules. You can make money by yourself. You can print your own money. And he actually sat down the world's #1 position. Who is not afraid? But I think, now go to FUD Binance. It's really not necessary. Because the stronger the supervision, the more repressive it will be. I trust Binance as reserves will be safer. After all, where's the money? Ability to pay. Binance has confirmed it. But then again, at the end of every bear market, there will be various black swan events. I think in extreme cases, that may be news. Come and hype all kinds of things. Thunderstorms at leading exchanges to create lower prices. This actually also marks a sign that the bear market is at its end. If we push the time to 2017, everybody knows it was an era of making wealth. ICOs are crazy. It was very easy to list coins at that time. Very simple. By any altcoin then, just like picking up money. So make money. As simple as breathing. This sentence started in 2017. That time, someone actually sent a lag. You heard it right. Just call me mom and get a coin. Actually this coin, within a few days, it has also increased thousands of times. It's really a bit dumbfounding. Why are we suddenly talking about ICO? Because in 17 years, after the ICO was stopped, the project side has no choice. Let us do token financing again. In other words, supervision will be more intense. But so far, the always conservative Japanese government launched a plan, a bit similar to the ICO back then. Then once this plan comes out, will it trigger an ICO craze? Let's take a look. Japan has always been conservative. Why will it be introduced such a plan?
According to Nihon Keizai Shimbun, the Japanese government announced regulatory framework will be adjusted. Let new businesses to investors through issuing digital assets to raise funds. The report pointed out the government will relax restrictions on startups, financing regulatory guidelines. When a startup receives investment, they will be able to give crypto assets rather than assets such as stocks. Also, Prime Minister of Japan Fumio Kishida, on July 25, when attending the Global Web3 conference WebX, once said, "We'll continue to assist in promoting Web3," and believes that Japan has a leading advantage. Consensus and goals agreed by multiple parties. Also emphasizes its claims, integrated with digital technology, no capitalist policies. Web3 is among them, an indispensable part.
Japanese government plan. It is indeed a bit like an ICO financing plan, but no Japan, without a change in the law. The profits you make on the crypto circuit, 50% has to be handed over to the state. So this policy, really not very friendly to encryption. But everyone has also seen, the United States is divided on crypto regulation. Many companies want to flee the United States. Taxes are very high, unclear supervision. So now Japan, Dubai, Vietnam, Korea, becoming more and more a battleground on the crypto circuit. So if the Japanese government does not change, will lose advantages in the Web3 track. So A1, the Japanese government has now introduced this policy, probably trying to attract a large number of people, builders in Web3 world, and traders of this cryptocurrency. In fact, this also helps Japan becoming a global cryptocurrency center. A very important means.
The magical combination of Telegram and Tron will open up the crypto world. What kind of new door? Mark Cuban's crypto assets stolen. What is the strange little fox wallet? Or is it because hackers are too smart?
Attended in Dubai, at the Future Blockchain Summit. I just told everyone, on the token. In fact, it is underestimated, because I participated, after a closed-door meeting at TON. I know them. What to do next? Now the news is finally out. Telegram. This is available globally. Communication software for 800 million users. On token 2049 in Singapore. Announced a big news. It will be linked to the open network TON. To develop self-hosted cryptocurrency wallet TON space. To integrate, they can serve hundreds of millions of users. Open the door to a Web3 world. You imagine, you are in a busy square. On a decentralized social software, suddenly found one mysterious arbitrary door. After walking in, you will find that you have come to a whole new world full of surprises. Can be transferred and traded at will, your crypto assets. This is Telegram and TON, to bring us the future world.
With Telegram and Tron. Announcement of cooperation news. Price of Tron. In mid-8. After falling to a low of $1.3. Continue to fluctuate and rise. And on the 17th, it even reached a high of $2.5. A surge of more than 80 in the past month. The market value even exceeds well-known blockchain project Solana. Become the top 10 cryptocurrencies. In this regard, Telegram founder Duro, also on his personal channel, posted a message to congratulate Tron on its booming development.
Of course, I don't mean let everyone go immediately. By related tokens, just talking about ecology, there's a layout like this. We're going to buy the dip everyone sees now. TON is a unilaterally rising market, so enter the market at this time. Not a wise choice. With TON officially entering the Telegram ecosystem. In the future, we will use Telegram. Such a huge traffic entrance will show very powerful possibility. Everybody knows. In this world, traffic is everything, so we as investors, you should pay attention to the track. What other projects have potential, and not just hit a local dog. It is so easy to rush the project. The future is in the Web 3.0 world. As long as it is decentralized, it's encrypted and safe. This track, there will also be a variety of high-quality projects, so follow our channel. All news will be posted as soon as possible. In units of 24 hours, past 2 years. Let us focus on security issues. In the crypto world, your assets are managed by you. So save it myself. Be responsible for your own assets. For security incidents, we will consider saying there will be a series in the future. Programs about safety. I will take my used cold wallet, like League of Paris, and Cautionag. We all make an integration. If you feel, if this program is necessary, please tell me in the comment area. I will put this matter as soon as possible. Put on agenda. In the encryption circuit, wallet stolen. But it is not news anymore. There was a big V recently. Just missed the mark. Who is he? He is the consultant of synthetics, called Mark Cuban, and his stolen assets is stored on the MetaMask little fox. Let's see what's going on.
Crypto community at West Crypto. At 7 a.m. On the 16th, be the first to discover. Something happened to Mark Cuban's wallet. Wallet on Blockchain Explorer Etherscan. Noted as Mark Cuban 2. Subsequently, security agency PAC Shield alert. Wallet movement was also detected. When DL News tells Mark Cuban, when there is any change in the wallet, only then did he know wallet was attacked by hackers. He expressed, "This is what he has been doing for months. First time using MetaMask. They must be watching." Mark Cuban reportedly lost $870. Includes 5 ETH and USDC. Assets such as SDTH. He is transferring his remaining assets, moved to Coinbase for hosting.
If it is a hot wallet on your chain, like MetaMask TP, such cases were stolen. Two situations. First, there is a problem with your download channel. Don't go through Baidu. Go search for something to download the installation package, some assets of Baidu, some websites for downloading software collections. This kind of website, it's very unreliable, especially software like wallets. Be sure to go to the official website to download. Another situation is, your wallet clicked on a link that I shouldn't have clicked on. A virus has been implanted. So the solution to this problem, if you use a hot wallet, I also like airdrops. I also like to try various things. Then separate, apply for a hot wallet first. Feel free to use it. Go and order a variety of what you think. Want to get something airdropped. But the wallet that stores assets, please use another one separately. That way it's guaranteed. No problem at all. Let us take a look at Express in crypto space.
Tezos team. Recently, through Custom Snap, MetaMask integrated into the Tezos ecosystem. In particular, Trilitech and Consensus cooperation launched Tezos Snap with MetaMask Wallet. Memeland announced on X platform, incubated with Trick.com. The first NFT series Trekkie reached cooperation. Specific details will be announced soon. Arbitrum governance page displays. Security Council elections. The first round of voting has opened. Candidates with 472 million votes will advance. There are 5 days left for the first round of voting. The final round of voting will be held on October 6. A few days ago, FTX tweeted, according to a recent crawl, cybersecurity incident, reviews and evaluations conducted. FTX has been unfrozen. All affected accounts. Claimants can now on the platform reinstate claim application. The team has taken additional safety measures. FTX system not affected by the crawl incident. Freezing the account is a precautionary measure. Data display. In just 2 months, Coinbase base L2 trading volume surges. In terms of transaction volume and number of unique addresses, all ranked first. This growth has been largely thanks to new social apps. Friend,
I told you about it in the previous program. What is the primary market? Let us talk next. What is the secondary market? To put it bluntly, the secondary market, just buy coins on the exchange, list currency to exchange. This is called secondary market trading. The secondary market is a bit harsher to say. Just find someone to take over. Original investor, previous investors, original team investors in private equity will seek cash out in the secondary market to make your own profits. Maximize. In fact, each of us, when trading in the secondary market, you can do as much or as little as you like. Treat yourself like a noob. Be a taker. There is absolutely nothing wrong with what I said. In our channel, we have been working hard with our members and friends, make you be able to enter primary market investment track. Let's maximize our profits. So I hope you can join our membership channel. Here, you can check all membership benefits. Join our member exclusive group. In addition to the tilting content, we will also do our best. Keep everyone safe. In the primary market, an investment attempt. We will survive the bear market with you. Let us become rich together. See you tomorrow.